Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make delicious Greek-style Lemony chicken with perfectly roasted Greek potatoes. I'll be showing you the authentic way to make this traditional dish. For this recipe, you will need simple and flavorful ingredients: 8 medium yellow potatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, about 3½ cups of water, 2 teaspoons of mustard, half a cup of olive oil, 1 fresh lemon, salt, black pepper, 2½ tablespoons of Greek oregano that will perfume your entire meal and give it that authentic Mediterranean flavor, 2 tablespoons of Greek potato spice, which I'll leave the link for in my bio, 4 chicken leg quarters, and 1 bay leaf. First, let's start by peeling our potatoes. Always be careful not to hurt yourself while peeling the potatoes. I'm trying to hurry and peel these potatoes because I can't wait to get the meal into the oven. Once it's in, your whole house will be filled with that warm, lemony, herby aroma, absolutely irresistible. Great, now that you've peeled all your potatoes, place them in a colander and rinse them thoroughly under running water. Awesome, now we can start cutting our potatoes. When it comes to cutting the potatoes, you can go with any style you like. Personally, I like thin cuts. I find that thinner slices soak up more flavor, the marinade coats each piece perfectly, and they roast better, giving that perfect little crisp on the outside while staying tender inside. Every bite is bursting with delicious taste. Look how I'm slicing them, 2 to 3 cuts horizontally, depending on the size of the potato, and the same in the opposite direction of the potato. Amazing! We've finished slicing our potatoes, and now we'll set them aside for later. We've already finished the first step. Now, let's slice our lemon. Make sure your lemon is well washed before adding it to the recipe. Watch how I do it. I start by cutting off both ends. Now, I'm going to slice it straight down the middle, all the way to the bottom, and then continue by cutting medium-sized slices from each half. The lemon is filling my kitchen with such a fresh, amazing aroma, it's incredible. It smells like summer throughout the whole kitchen. Look at how beautiful my slices are. Perfect, my friends. Another step done, now let's place our potatoes at the bottom of a roasting dish. It's time to season our potatoes with salt and pepper. The magical ingredient in our recipe: Greek oregano. Be generous with this one. Don't forget, we're making a Greek recipe. And honestly, a chicken without oregano? That's not truly Greek. This magical herb brings all the flavors together and gives the dish that authentic Mediterranean touch. Now, add 2 tablespoons of Greek potato spice, the most authentic one I've found. I'll leave the link in my bio so you can make it exactly like I prepare it. We're making great progress. We're already well on our way with this recipe. Now, let's add our mustard, 2 teaspoons of fresh mustard. Now, let's add the olive oil and water. Here's a super practical tip: using already boiling water will help you save cooking time in the oven. There we go. Next, add the garlic and lemon slices. Keep aside as many lemon slices as you have chicken pieces, we will place them on later. Now it's time to mix everything together, and don't forget to mix it with love. Make sure all these beautiful ingredients and flavors come together perfectly. Amazing, my friends. Now gently place your chicken pieces on top of the potatoes. Watch what I'm doing. I'm spooning some of the marinade over the chicken. We want each piece to absorb all these precious flavors. For the next step, feel free to wear gloves if you prefer. This time, I'm going in with my bare hands. Our goal is to make sure every piece of chicken is beautifully coated and deeply infused with this marinade. I'm telling you, this marinade is divine. We want to make sure all those fragrant ingredients are beautifully combined. Repeat the same on both sides of the chicken. Massage it well so it's fully bathed in the marinade on every side. Awesome, we're done. Arrange the chicken pieces neatly, sprinkle a bit more Greek oregano, place the lemon slices we set aside earlier on top of each piece, and cover everything with a sheet of foil. Now your dish is ready for the oven. Look, I'm making small cuts with a knife to let the heat circulate. Now, place your dish in the oven and bake at 400 degrees for about 1 hour and 45 minutes. Keep in mind, cooking times may vary depending on your oven. Alright, my friends, we're almost there. Take your dish out of the oven, lift the foil, and using a spoon, pour some of the marinade over the top of the chicken pieces. We want them to stay juicy and full of flavor. Great, now, put it back in the oven for another 30 minutes, this time at 350 degrees, uncovered. Yum yum yum, my dear friends. The moment has come to take your chicken out of the oven, it's ready. Just look at this beauty, perfectly golden and grilled to perfection. The aroma is filling the entire house, it smells incredible. Believe me, my friends, once you try this, you'll be hooked on this recipe. As for me, I'm going to cover it up and take it to my mother. She absolutely loves this chicken, she's the one who asked me to make it for her. As you can see, this recipe was simple and easy to make. You now have the recipe for authentic Greek lemony chicken and potatoes. Don't worry, I'll take the time to write the full recipe in the comments, and I'll also leave the link to the Greek potato spice and oregano in my bio to help you make it perfectly at home. If you're new here, I'd like to take a moment to warmly welcome you to this community, a place where our passion and love for food brings us all together. Thank you so much for watching, and don't hesitate to subscribe and leave me a comment to let me know if you enjoyed this recipe. See you soon, and until then, take care.